Hello, Leo, Emma and David. How are you? Are you ready for a new yoga safari?
Yes!
OK then, well you already know what you have to do. Let's say the magic word. Ready? After 3. 1, 2, 3.
Namaste. The forest. This place is beautiful.
It is indeed. Are you ready to discover what amazing creatures live here?
Of course. We're David, Leo, and Emma, and we're always super ready.
Now let's try deer pose. Deer pose. Coming to sit on our bottoms with our legs out long. We bend up one of our knees and we put our foot on the other side of our long leg. Now we stretch up through one of our arms, the same arm as the long leg, and we take our other hand behind us for balance. We bring our elbow to the outside of our knee, sit up tall and stretch and see if we can twist to look over our shoulder like a deer, being very alert, keeping a lookout. Oh, what's going on? Now, deer pose is very good for boosting our brain and for strengthening the legs, the shoulders and the arms. Very good. Now, let's see if we can do it on the other side. Stretching those legs long again, we bend the other knee in. We bring our foot over to the other side and stretch up with our arm. We bring our elbow to the outsides of our knee. We take our hand behind us, sit up tall and look over our shoulders, being a little nervous deer, keeping a lookout. What's going on?
Ouch!
All together, tree pose. Tree pose. Standing nice and tall, we bring one foot on top of the other using our heel. Our knee turns out to the side. We bring our hands together at our hearts and we grow our branches up nice and tall, stretching as high as we can.
Oh! Aha! Take this! Yeah.
Wow, well done everyone. Now tree pose is really good for stretching our sides, practicing our balance and for strengthening our back and our legs. Well done. Now let's see if we can do it on the other side. Lowering our arms all the way down, we switch our feet so the other heel's on top. We bring our hands together, we grow our arms up, our branches nice and tall. Now I wonder how strong you trees are. I'm going to do the tree test. You stay tall and strong and I'm going to come and blow you down. Let's see, here we go. Doopy doopy dee doo. Wow, you are strong trees. You're amazing. Just as strong as real trees.
Oh, ouch!
Oh, whoops-a-daisy. Oh, even the real trees have to practice sometimes. OK, kids, butterfly pose. Butterfly pose. Coming to sit on our bottoms and joining the soles of our feet together, using our hands to snuggle them in a little bit more. Now we lift and lower our knees like they're a butterfly's wings fluttering around. Now butterfly pose is very good for opening our hips and stretching our inner thighs. It's also good for jiggling our insides around a bit to get everything moving, which is always a good thing. Now the other great thing about butterfly is we get to see what colour wings we've got by lifting up our leg nice and straight and having a look. Let's do it after 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ooh. Wow! We've got blue and yellow and pink. Oh, it's beautiful. Lowering it all the way back down. Let's have a look on the other side. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ooh. Green and purple and orange. Oh, wow, this is amazing. Lowering it all the way back down. Now, here comes the really challenging one. Can we lift up both wings together? Ready? This is a good test of our balance. Oh, after 3. 1, 2, 3. Whoop. Rainbow! Goodness me, it's gone butterfly bonkers in here.
Ouch! Oh.
Wonderful. Well done, you. And so that brings us to the end of our fantastic forest yoga safari. Wasn't it good? I'll see you again soon for another yoga safari. Bye-bye.
Bye!